Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all doing well and staying creative. Today's video is very special because Valentine's Day is coming, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful handmade Valentine's Day card using simple materials that you can easily find at home. Handmade gifts always have a special value, and a card like this is perfect to express love, care, and emotions to your special person. So, without any delay, let's start the video. First, let me tell you the materials required for this card. You will need red color chart or thick color paper, black sketch pen or marker, pencil, scale, glue, scissors. That is very simple materials. First take the red color paper and cut into a rectangle shape. This will be the base of the Valentine's Day card. Now fold it gently from the middle to give it a neat card shape. Make sure edges are aligned properly. Next, using sketch pen, draw the three heart shapes on the front side of the card. One heart on the top, one in the middle, and one at the bottom. After drawing, outline the hearts neatly. Inside the hearts, we will write Happy Valentine's Day using white paper or correction pen, so the words stand out clearly. You can also write a personal message inside the card to make it more meaningful. Once everything done, erase any pencil marks if visible. Check all the hearts, lines and dots look clean and bold. And that's it. Your Valentine's Day handmade card is now ready. This card is perfect for husband and wife, boyfriend or girlfriend. You can also write a personal message inside the card to make it more meaningful. I hope you all like this simple and beautiful Valentine's Day card idea. If you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more easy craft ideas. Thank you so much for watching. This channel is all about my favorite art and craft. I would like to share my passion with all of you using this YouTube channel. In this channel, I am showing best out of crafts, school decoration ideas, home decoration ideas, wall decoration ideas, festival decoration ideas, Diwali decoration ideas, Christmas decoration ideas, Pongal decoration ideas, Ramjan decoration ideas, and also school decoration ideas, board decoration ideas, Rangoli. This video contains Amazon affiliate links. When you purchase through the links, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. This helps support my art and craft channel. Thank you for your support. A new video will be published every Thursday at 6 p.m. and every Sunday at 6 p.m. After writing message, you can draw heart shape using red color sketch pens. If you want, you can write any message related to the Valentine's Day. I'm drawing 3 heart shapes inside the card. Top 2 hearts and bottom 1 heart. It's related Valentine's Day. It's look like beautiful and pretty. I'm using only 3 hearts. If you want, you can draw small more hearts also. It's look so beautiful, black, white and red. Now comes to the decorative part. Using a scale and black pen, draw straight vertical lines from the top and the bottom of the card. At the end of each line, draw a small filled black circle. This gives a hanging design effect and makes the card look very stylish and modern. Take your time while drawing the lines so they look neat and evenly spaced. At the end of each line, draw a small filled black circles. This gives a hanging design effect and makes the card looks very stylish and modern. Take your time while drawing the lines so they look neat and evenly spaced. Once everything done, erase any pencil marks if visible. Check all the hearts, lines and dots. Looks clean and bold. That's it. Your Valentine's Day card is now ready. This card is perfect for husband or wife, boyfriend or girlfriend. You can also write personal message inside the card to make it more meaningful. I hope you all like this simple and beautiful Valentine's Day card idea. If you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel to more easy craft ideas. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Valentine's Day in advance. See you in my next video. Bye.